how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a zombie face, so let's get started. Going to go over here, down for the nose, curve for the nostril, line over here for the top of the nostril, curve line here for one eye, curve line over here for the other eye, circle dot for that eye. This over here, the eye on this far side is going to be missing, so I'm going to fill that in. Cheekbone, cheekbone, downward, kind of the top of the bone area, right? It's going to be showing. Line down, in, jaw, line down here, line down here, up, over here, curve along the back, and right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start that kind of shape for the ear. Just two lines right there for the inner ear, and I'm going to pull this back in there. It's the line for the neck, line for the other part of the neck, the front, line here, downward, curve, curve, line, 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 line over here, finding the teeth right there with these little loops. I'm gonna draw a empty area right here on the face. Line, 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 curve underneath right here for the teeth underneath that. Dot in the center. Curve, curve. There are many different ways to draw these things. Go check out the playlist if you want more Halloween related drawings. This is just one kind of an odd way to draw it. I think it's a very simple, think, shoot, think, shoot, think, shoot sort of way. Think, draw it in, think, draw it in. Very, very different way that I normally teach. So let me know if you like it. If not, I'll go back to the other direction. Just kind of slow, step by step. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for being around. You're amazing. Throw a little shadow underneath here. It's a very, very quick way to do it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons, so you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.